Hello kids, welcome back to another session. In today's session, we are going to do questions based on plus 6 big friends formula. We have already done the zero in the class. This is the homework solution video for plus 6. Okay. When we did the zero, I gave you arrow as the homework and this is the solution video for arrow. So, first of all, where are we going to apply this formula? Where I will not have enough beats left to add 6, right? We already know this. Let's start. First question, add 2. Again add 2. And now add 6. Do I have enough beats to do add 6? No. So what do we do? When I don't have enough beats to add a particular number, I apply that number's formula. Ma'am, but 6's formula we don't know. We have it here. Plus 10 minus 4. Plus 10 minus 4. What did I do? I did 2. I again did 2. Then when I was about to do plus 6, I saw that I am not having enough beats. So what did I do instead of that? I applied the formula of 6. Okay. Next question. 4 plus 6. Again, same situation. What will I do? I don't have enough beats to add 6 here. I have no beats, see. So what I will do? I will apply the formula of 6, that is plus 10 minus 4 and then plus 1. So my answer is 11. Next. 4 plus 6. Do I have enough beats to do 6? No. So my formula for 6 will be plus 10 minus 4. Okay, now plus 3. My answer is 13. Next, 7 minus 3. Do I have beats to do minus 3 anywhere? No. So my formula for minus 3 is minus 5 and plus 2. Now plus 6. No beats to do plus 6 as well. So formula for 6 plus 10 minus 4. My answer is 10. Last question. 8 minus 4. Do I have enough beats to do minus 4? No. So my formula for minus 4 is minus 5 plus 1. And now plus 6. Again, no beats to do 6. So formula of 6 plus 10 minus 4. My final answer is 10. I hope it was clear, guys. Okay, if you still have any doubts, you can let me know in the comments. Bye bye.